will have a library that's easier to understand. And so the idea would be that anybody walking in here can find the materials that they like by themselves without having to ask the librarian as much as possible. So what we're going to have now is on one side of the library is going to be all the fiction, and it's going to be organized from the ECC side to the ES side, going from easy to difficult. So you start with the picture books, you'll have the big F, you'll have the books that have audio with it, you have the comic books, and then you'll have beginning chapter books, so sort of the easy reading series, and then the chapter books after that genreified. So the hope will be that that will make it a lot easier for students to find the books that they like. It used to be so that if you wanted to do research, you had to come to the library because the books were the only things you could use. Now that we all have an iPad and we have access to all this information in our classroom, there really is no need for whole classes to come to the library to do research projects here. That means that the way that the library actually looks can be reorganized a little bit as well. And we can have a better and stronger focus on comfortable furniture, nice seating, reading nooks, bean bags, that kind of stuff. So the library becoming more of a cozy, warm place that you want to go and hang out and read a book, rather than set up in such a way that whole classes can read here and sit at the table and do research.
I really like how it feels so vibrant these days, and I think that it's great to see so many students enjoying the library as a learning space and as a space for them to enjoy doing things that they love, like origami and playing chess, as well as looking at books.
I like how it feels more open and it feels like there's a lot more space in here to read.
When I want to get outside from the nasty weather, I usually come in and have a silent read to myself.
Everything kind of has its own little genre or category. And we can also tell that it's working when our numbers, like when we check out more books that we haven't checked out in a long time, maybe because they were hidden and nobody knew how great they were.